Welcome to the Botanical Cake Studio Dahlia Happy Single Kiss class. This is a pretty single flowered dahlia variety with peachy petals, a dark red ring centre and dark foliage. With just 8 petals, this is quite a quick dahlia to make and looks stunning in an autumnal arrangement. As with all of my online classes, each stage of the process is broken down into easy to follow step-by-step videos, from making your own flower paste, forming the central disc, shaping your petals, making accompanying leaves and dusting for a realistic finish. I've also included PDF cheat sheets and guides with the links to the tools that I use, and you now have access to a class community where you can ask me any questions, connect with other students, or just share your beautiful creations. The class is also accessible from the Zenler app, so you can now access all of my classes and community from your mobile or tablet.